Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming where Zoom is controlled. Open Safari Preferences and inspect websites right arrow page zoom to see per site overrides. Once done, use the View menu to test zoom in, zoom out, and reset to detect persistent offsets. Make sure macOS display scaling and accessibility zoom aren't forcing a global magnification, because system-level scaling will override Safari. This first step isolates whether Safari settings, a site override, or the system is responsible and lets you proceed with targeted fixes. You now apply the corrective actions. Set each site in Preferences right arrow websites right arrow page zoom to 100% to restore baseline scaling. Once done, navigate to a problematic page and select View right arrow actual size or right-click and choose Reset Zoom to force the current tab to default. If a site still misbehaves, clear cookies and cache for that domain, because some websites store Zoom or CSS preferences in local data. These steps remove both browser and site level persisted Zoom changes so pages render normal. You finish by verifying broader causes. Quit and relaunch Safari, then open the same page in a private window to see if extensions or cached data were the culprit. If private browsing fixes it, disable extensions one at a time to find the offender. If not, test another macOS user account to determine if the problem is profile-specific. Key troubleshooting tip: if Zoom still persists, check macOS display scaling and accessibility zoom. System magnification often masquerades as a Safari problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.